You know what rhymes with Yamaha PSS 170? Retrobit N64 controller. Good rhyme. Alright, here's the deal. This is Bub's questionable engineering. And I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna see about it though. And I figure, you know, everyone wants a keyboard where your buddy can sit there next to you, maybe a few feet, a good, 5 feet away from you, and mess with your sound a little bit with the stick here, the buttons. Maybe that's what everyone wants. So I figure let's take this apart and see if we can't make those sounds sound wacky with this old controller here. Guess we should see if it works, right? Somewhere around here I got a power supply. This'll work, right? Yeah, it'll be fine. 9 to 12 volts. Yep, 9 volts. That'll work. Get out the old trusty Ace Hardware Christmas light extension cord here. Blue light means we didn't kill anything. Let's just see here. Well, power. Ooh, let's see. Vibraphone. I like that. Ooh. Let's see if the accompaniment works. Accompaniment disco. Oh yeah. Let's see. And we gotta do auto accompaniment. Oh yeah. Whoops. Oh god. Oh no. Alright, it all works. Let's see, I can't see anything in there. Are these... Yep, Phillips. Okay, good. Where are you? Where are you, Phillips? And now, all at once, we lose the screws in a frenzy. Oh god. We drop these black screws onto my gray shag carpet. We're missing 2. 6 will be enough to put it back together. I'm so sorry in advance, Yamaha. You're gonna be okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh! What does the lantern tell us? Oh yes. You know, these are gonna be a pain. And we're not gonna use batteries. Get out of there. Okay. Is there anything holding us? Okay, so it's just those screws. And now I'm blind. Mr. Screw. We can use some of those screws for the backplate. Surely the circuit board doesn't need to be selfish and have every single one. I hope you know that I went into this with no plan. Oh god. Oh good, it opens. That was gonna be a pain. We'll keep you in another part of this leather blanket box. 8 million screws. Now this may also be awful. Is there one in there? Son of... There's 2! I'm gonna end your life, Retrobit. Retro, strip this screw out. Okay, fine. Stay in there. I cannot see! There it is. Boy, this is just the worst. Okay, I think that'll let us have it. You kept that pad. Oh, you're soft. Gross. We're not trying to be fancy here. We're trying to slab something together and then throw it back together. Oh god, all the buttons are coming out. You stay. You get back in there. You get... I just want to talk. I just want to talk. Do I have a big spool of wire? That's the important part. Okay. I gotta find wire cutters. Hang on. Nothing's organized. Oh my god. Are they in this box right in front of me? Hey, look, my wire cutters. Retrobit gods, please don't smite me. I'm going to cut this. I feel like I need to save this. Yoink. We're just going rogue here. I don't need any of this connected because I don't need it for this purpose anymore. Shoot. My life is falling apart. So we're not going to power this. We're not going to use this duped up chip here. Some of these are rough. Don't remind me that I said that whenever it comes time for me to solder in a minute, because that's not fair. We're doing joke solders. I don't even have a nice soldering iron right now. So, up, down, left, right. I think we just have to start working. There's the garbage soldering iron. Here's the less garbage soldering iron. And where... What? I feel like this leather surface isn't the ideal surface to have a soldering iron on, is it? It'll be fine. We'll just leave it there. I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna regret putting this here when I accidentally grab it with my actual hand. This is gonna be a monstrosity of cabling. Good thing I keep laying stuff across that soldering iron. This keyboard case doubles as a trash can for all this stuff. You know what I'm missing is a hot glue gun. I'll have to go get one of those here in a minute. This is bad. I just need you to touch and stay there. Ouch! Okay, that is barely on there. I got this little screwdriver I'll do. Yeah. Okay. So that's one set. Oh god. Stay. It's all falling apart. Gonna solder to this circuit trace. That is just beautiful. Come on. Take it. You just burn through the circuit board here. Oh god. We don't need that one. That one's not important. Let's see, can we use... Whoops. I feel like I should change my strategy, but I'm not going to. Let's just, for the sake of making progress, let's remove this joystick from here and start messing around with that for a minute. Oh god, the soldering iron is guarding the tiny screwdriver. Definitely not going to remember that I'm sticking these right here. Okay. We're out. So's that. Wait. This. Nice. Oh, nice. Rip! I think I'm going to connect the grounds together. My hands are too big. Where did I put it? I keep hiding everything I'm doing. So I want another one, I guess, because I'm going to split out the X and Y axis on this into two different data lines. We're going to see if this even does anything. I may just end up breaking this keyboard. Whoops. Use the setting too small so it rips the cable in half. Awesome. Whoa. Glowing red. What does it mean? Oh god. The keyboard doesn't mind a few solder dribblings. Doesn't bother it. Oh, don't drip in there. Oh, well, okay, fine. You dripped in there. Fine, you can have it. Well, that's safe and insulated. Okay, I need to go get some hot glue for this. Shing, sparkle, sparkle. The hot glue gun is here. Here to help me isolate these circuits from my own disaster. Warm up and blow my circuit breaker, please. Let's see. Let's go ahead and connect to you as well. No! No! Don't! You do it! Strip. I want chicken strips right now. And now you who are watching wants chicken strips. You're welcome. Let's get this wired up. Oh god, my hand's right above that. It's like, why am I so hot all of a sudden? Now we can solder it. Ew. Spit wire sheathing onto my arm? Soldering iron loves me. Oh god. That might be a problem. Please don't tell me you burned through the ribbon cable. Ow, it's really hot. Why were you still so hot sitting right there? Did you sit there just to spite me and burn through the ribbon cable? You jerk. This whole time you've been out to get me. I've never done anything to insult you. I don't even have a nice soldering iron right now. You stay up there. You don't fall. There we go. There we go. Get out of here, hot glue gun. Oh, the strings. Come on. How many strings do we need? And then just this, and then that's this assembly, if I dare use such fancy terminology to describe what this amalgamation is. Boy, that is just a beautiful piece right here, if I do say so myself, and I do. All of these buttons are making me mad. Out of here. Okay, you can stay. Where did I put the pieces for this? Oh, now here's a great question. Where... Oh god. Where in a nice, good routed way are we going to run all these cables? I surely don't want to mess up my mint condition stripped out screws in the joystick part retrobit N64 controller. I can't get it in! Golly. It's like there was solder coating my screwdriver or something. Well, that would make sense. This is beautiful in and of itself. I don't know what more I want to do on this. But we could at least see if this does things first. We gotta use the spotlight. Shoot, I lost it. When in doubt, multimeter. I found it! The multimeter! Oh boy. Okay. Let's do a little snip. This is way too big for this. I gotta have smaller wire cutters somewhere, right? Alright. These aren't wire cutters per se, more like fingernail clippers, but they're really, really tight. And I think, great. Yep. Okay, well, that's our ground we can use right there for soldering to. And I think then this pin and this pin are connected, right? Yes, so we'll solder to that guy. There. Can't see anything with all this smoke. Did I get it? Nope. Ouch. That's not what you're supposed to be soldered to. It will be a miracle if this thing actually works after we do just this one thing. Quick, hot glue it before it changes. Oh yeah. Dust in the hot glue. Dust in the glue. All we are is dust in the glue. I feel like we should just see if it even works still. The trusty power supply. Oh. Okay. Well, let's see here. Where's... oh yeah. Power. Nothing. Great. Are you shorted right there? Is that the problem that I'm not seeing it this whole time? I'm gonna be mad if that's the problem and I've not seen it this whole time. Okay, that should get you away. Okay. That might power it up. Hey! Did I spill solder in this speaker? There's something in there. Okay, so that works. Now where... oh. So let's get this soldered where we need it to be soldered, up here. Okay, that's good. There we go, that's in ground now. It might do something now. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's switch up where we have this. Let's constantly power the chip. Whoops. Uh-oh. They ruined that. I broke it. Get that cutting it going again. soldering to this while it's still running. I'm sure it loves that. We can see in real time what we're actually messing up. Oh yeah. Because who doesn't want that? Let's grab another ground here. Alright. Let's see what else can we mess up here. Well, I like that, of course. Boy, that was just on there. So annoying. Hooray! I made an annoying machine. If I just short this, can I quickly reset it? Can I just make a reset button? I could. Oh God. We're gonna make ourselves a little reset button for when this inevitably gets cobbed up after we've done a bunch of sound making. And that should be a reset button. Where is our Z? Here it is. Well, this looks awful, but partially works based on what I wanted it to do. We got to do a little bit of hot gluing. And we gotta make room for this in this mint condition retro bit controller here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Glue that in there. I think I'm just going to start with this because I don't feel like doing more of it. I'm already pushing my luck. I already broke it once. Okay, there's way too much hot glue for that. Oh God, sorry. Oh yeah, really make it permanent. Maybe someday I'll put, you know, this part back in, the actual, that part. But I'm not feeling it right now. I feel like just rolling with this whole deal. Here's some of the screws. Oh, that doesn't feel right at all. Where did I put the controller screws? Chances are I lost them. That's not a screw. That's not the right size. I can't wait to find these after the project. Like, oh, of course I stuck them right there. Well, when in doubt, it's already half hot glue at this point anyway. Just a little bit around the edges. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And just sit right in there, drip right onto my finger, boiling hot glue. Rub that along the seams. This is just 100% quality at this point. And we can't forget our additions here. We need some support. There and there, there and there. Thought I had more zip ties than one. There, now it's a cable. That hot glue's mostly dry, isn't it? At least enough to get over to this side, and we could have just put this ground on the bottom anyway. Whatever. It's fine. And slot that in so the hot glue can drip on everything. There we go. Now, at least one circuit board screw. Maybe two. I'm feeling frisky. How about a third? Man, oh man. This thing's decent. It's coming together. Let's see, just right there. Right there. There we go. That's the perfect size hole. Alright, and now the minimal screws. Okay, stripping out every single screw I'm putting in. Alright, the grand reveal. Everything inside shaking around. Look at this. I said 5 feet to the side. That's not too bad. That's not 5 feet, but we had to change a few things. Our trusty, not an issue power supply. Oh yeah. It appears that I have fused a few things. A little harder than before. Fill in. Let's do the reset. Oh yeah. The demo just does that. Well, I think the problem is it thinks it's incomplete. We don't have the knobs over here on the... Oh, wait. Oh, come on. This is definitely the problem. This is 100% why it's not working. Okay. And then power switch here. I think I put those backwards. Can we do different sounds still? What about flute? Oh yeah. so C's messed up. C. There's not a lot. It's a lot messed up. Well, what do you think, Chad? Is it beautiful? Oh, yeah. Let's do human voice. Whoa. What have I done? These? There we go. There's human voice. I'd like to think this is the sound it made when I unscrewed the first screw and told it was going to be okay. Well, I'd say this is thoroughly ruined. Ta-da! Don't forget to like and subscribe.